welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making two videos. I'm going to be doing a hair care haul and also a Fashion Nova and Paxton haul, which I'll link down below if you guys are interested in watching. Yeah, that's basically it. Recently I've been really into hair care because I really want to grow out my hair. My hair is barely like right here, and I wanted to let it grow like super long. That way I can, if I ever want to do like a ponytail or hairstyles that are up, it won't be super short. Because whenever I do ponytails, well, let me show you, girl. Let me show you how it looks. Look how it looks. What is that? What is that? The only thing that I've been doing is trying not to use as much heat to my hair, and that's basically it. I haven't done anything, so that's why I went out to HEB and I bought some hair care products. Alright, so the first thing I want to show you guys is this little thing. I think I got the mini size, and if there's such thing as a mini size, I don't know, but I remember I had this a long time ago, and because my best friend from high school would recommend this to me. Yeah, this is the Garnier Sleek and Shine Intense Smooth Leave-In Conditioning Cream. It's for frizzy, dry, unmanageable hair up to 3 days sleek. Yeah, and it smells really good. To be honest, I'm really glad because it smells really, really good, and I love the fact that it leaves your hair super smooth, hence the leave-in conditioner part. So whenever I shower, I don't know about you guys, but whenever I shower, my hair is like it gets really crazy, and it gets very like, whenever I try to brush it, it's very like, after I use this product, I did notice that my hair was a lot smoother, easier to brush and stuff. So yes, the next thing I got that I barely tried today when I was gonna straighten my hair. I didn't straighten a lot of my hair because, hence, like I said, I want to cut down on putting heat in my hair. I want to straighten the front parts of my hair, and I use this flat iron perfector straightening mist. When what this does, it gives you heat protection, and it also gives you straight, like a super sleek straight hair finish. I did see a difference. I did see that my hair was super, like, much more easier and smooth when I would go over it with my straightener. It feels super smooth, and also it smells really nice. When I was setting up to film this video, I was like, it smells super nice, and I think about 2 hours has passed since I put the spray and I straightened my hair, and it still smells. So this is my new favorite product. I've only tried it once, but I could honestly say that I love this, and I think I'm gonna be using this every time that I straighten my hair. Next thing I got is, it's the Garnier Pure Clean Dry Shampoo. I've never tried this before, not once, so I don't have any comments on it, but let's just see how it smells, okay? This smells good. This smells like, it smells clean. So I always have problems with dry shampoos. I think I'm only gonna use this on hair emergencies, and that's another thing, you guys. I do wash my hair every day, because my hair, if I don't wash it once, besides that I feel dirty, is that I think it's very noticeable when you don't wash your hair. Well, when I don't wash my hair, it's very noticeable. It looks like I just took a shower or something. I don't know how people can do it. For like, I've heard that some girls don't wash their hair for like a week or 4 days, 3 days, and I'm like, how do you do it? Like, I guess you could do like a sleek ponytail, or you can do a bun, but I don't look good on none of that. Like, have you seen me in a bun? Like, yeah, basically my point is, I think I'm only gonna use this on emergencies, like whenever, for whatever reason, I don't wash my hair, or there's times where I do wash my hair every day, but for some reason, I don't know if it's extra hot outside or something, but my hair starts like getting all like oily and stuff, and I'm like, what? I just took a shower this morning, like, why are you being like this? The last thing I got, this is not a hair product, I know that, but cleansing water, all-in-one, mattifying, supposedly removes makeup, cleanses, purifies your pores, and all that good stuff. It's promising like 3 things right here, so we'll find out if this works. Oily skin. Oh, I'm not oily. Comment down below, please, please, please comment down below and help me out. Couple girl here. I am dry skin. Does it matter that I got the oily skin? Like, would it really be a big difference? Please comment if you have this product. I've never tried this product before. Maybe I could still return it. I have not used it. Even though it's all bubbly and stuff, I haven't used it. So I think that's basically it for this haul. That's all I bought for hair care products. If you guys want me to do a first impression using these products, or just, I don't know, showing you guys how I use these products, or I don't know. Any small updates, I will be putting them in my Snapchat, which I'll put right here, or also in my Instagram, which I'll put right here as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
And I still got my money.